Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are diving into one of the latest gaming mice from Logitech, the G502 X Plus RGB. It's a mouthful, but if you're into performance gaming, sleek design, customizable functions, and most of all, RGB, then you'd want to stick around for this one. The G502 X Plus is an upgrade to Logitech's legendary G502 lineup, but with a twist. It's lighter, sharper, and packed with RGB customization. Weighing in at around 106 grams, it is a little lighter than its predecessor. It maintains the iconic G502 design with its aggressive angular shapes that really feel like it belongs in a futuristic gaming rig. The RGB also reacts to your gameplay or whatever app you're using, which is a nice touch if you're into that immersive experience. Personally, I like keeping mine in single color, but the possibilities are endless here. This mouse is feature-packed for both gamers and productivity users. First up, the legendary dual-mode scroll wheel is back. It can be switched between precise step-by-step scrolling for weapons and skills, or free spin for zooming through long web pages. Sadly though, the plastic design means that the scroll wheel feel won't match up to what was on the OG G502. The G502 X Plus has 13 programmable buttons, just 13, and they're fully customizable through the Logitech G Hub software. The DPI shift button is one of my favorite. It's perfect for sniping or precise work because you can temporarily lower your DPI for those critical moments. And speaking of DPI, this mouse supports up to 25600 DPI thanks to Logitech's Hero 25K sensor, which is ultra responsive and accurate. Let's talk about the battery life. The G502 X Plus offers around 120 hours without RGB and 40 to 50 hours with RGB enabled. If you're a heavy gamer, that's pretty solid. Although the new generation of G502 is lighter in weight, it also drops the customizable weight slabs that was featured on the OG G502. Overall, the G502 X Plus is a powerhouse. It's got a sleek design, ton of customization options, great performance, and a solid battery life. It's not the lightest mouse out there, and it doesn't hold up to some of the features from the OG G502. But if you're looking for something feature-packed and modern, this could be your new best friend. Now, at around $159, it's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, but they often go on sale on Logitech's site and also on Amazon and other places. So, what do you guys think about the Logitech G502X? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.